Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see the use of DAX query view. So here you can see this is our tables, projects and employees. So I need to create another table where I can see if the salary is below 70,000 it will be low salary. If the salary is in between 70,000 to 95,000 it will be medium salary. If it is beyond that it will be high salary. So I need another column here, and another thing I need only salaries, only those employees who are having projects. Okay, and I need project names as comma separated. So how to do it in DAX? Let's see. So in in DAX query view I will start with evaluate. I need add columns, right? So I need to use add columns, and the table name, so table name is employees, and the name, so name will be like salary level. Okay, and then the expression, so expression will be, I'll use switch function, switch true. Okay, so if the salary is less than 70,000 it will give me low salary, and if the salary is it will be less than or equals to, so if the salary is greater than 70,000 and and salary is less than or equals to 95,000 it will give me medium. Okay, or else it will be high salary. Okay. So if I run this one, so here you can see I am getting employee wise salary level, but I need only those employees who are having projects. So to get the projects I need to get it from projects table. So I need to add another column, right? So add column like projects. Okay, then the expression, so expression will be, I am taking from the projects table, right? So I can use related table projects. So why I am using related table, not the related? So here you can see, if you see my model view, relation is employee ID to employee ID, and it is coming from the many table. So if I am taking the project names, it is coming from the many table. That's why I am using related table function, right? So related table projects, then I need project names. So, but here you can see it is not coming. Why? Because one employee can have multiple projects and I need comma separated values, so it is indicating many rows. Okay, so for that thing I need concatenate x, so I can write concatenate x. So concatenate x will take a table, so this is a table. Okay, from that table I need project names, and I will concatenate with a comma separated value. Okay, so if I run this one, here you can see I am getting the project names and salary name, but I need only those employees who are having projects, right? So, and another thing, I do not need all those columns, I need only some selected columns. So for that thing I can use selected columns function. Selected columns, it will take a table, so this is a table, So from here I can write whichever columns I need. Employee ID I need, employee name, okay, and I need salary, okay, then I need salary level, and I need projects, okay. So if I run this one, I will be getting only these columns, not all the columns, but I need who are having projects. I do not need these null values, okay. So for that thing I can use filter function. So filter, this will also take a table. So this is my table already. Then here I can filter it out. So where projects is not equals to blank, okay. So if I run this one, here you can see I am getting my employees, salary level and projects, comma separated values, who are having projects. So like this we can test in DAX query view, okay. So I will take this one, copy, and I will go here, and in modeling, okay, new table, I will just paste it, okay. So if I paste it here, you can see I am getting the things. So like this we can use DAX query view, okay. We can test it, we can create it. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.